Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It is Monday, July 10th, 2023. It is 5:24 and 23 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, melanoma. So let's jump to it here. A 2-for-1 approach to boost melanoma, immunotherapy. One protein can help scientists fight treatment-resistant melanoma from all directions. Date July 5th, 2023. Source: Sanford Barham, Cremains. New research has helped explain how melanoma evades the immune system and may guide the discovery of future therapies for the disease. The immune system's control of a tumor is influenced by both internal factors within tumor cells as well as factors from the tumor's surroundings. They found that the protein they are studying is involved in both, which makes it an ideal target for new cancer therapies. One of the most significant breakthroughs in cancer therapy in the last century is the development of immunotherapy, an approach that helps improve the immune system's ability to fight cancer on its own without the use of toxic chemotherapy drugs. Immunotherapy is the first line of therapy for several cancers now, but the success of immunotherapy is limited because many cancers either don't respond to it or become resistant over time. An important goal remains to improve the effectiveness of immunotherapy and to find ways to boost immunotherapy in melanoma. The research team analyzed data from patient tumors to identify genes that may coincide with patients' responsiveness to immunotherapy. As this led to the identification of a protein that helps tumors evade the immune system called NR2-F6, which was found not only in tumor cells, but also in surrounding non-cancerous cells. Often they find that a protein has the opposite effect outside of tumors compared to what it does within the tumor, which is less effective for therapy. In the case of NR2-F6, they found that it elicits the same change in the tumor and its surrounding tissues, pointing to synergistic effect. This means that the treatments that block this protein's activity can be twice as effective. And to confirm their findings in mice, the researchers genetically removed the NR2-F6 protein in both melanoma tumors and in the tumor's environment, as this inhibited melanoma growth more strongly compared to when this effect occurs in either the tumor or its microenvironment alone. The cancer's response to immunotherapy was also enhanced upon loss of NR2-F6 in both tumors and their microenvironment. As this tells the researchers that NR2-F6 helps melanoma evade the immune system, and without it, the immune system can more readily suppress tumor growth. As discovering drugs that can help target this protein are expected to offer a new way to treat melanomas and possibly other tumors that would otherwise resist immunotherapy. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.